How to fix Play Store pending download error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store pending download error on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just type Play Store and here you will find it. Then just click on it and now just click force stop first and then go to storage. Here you will find cache, click on it and that's it. Then just go back and restart your phone and that's it. Click restart and it must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.